Here are 5 questions you should ask before joining a real estate brokerage. Number 1, what is the structure? Who's there to answer your questions? Who do you report to? Do you have an office space? Do you have a desk to work at? Are you a designated office or a non-designated office? What does that even mean? Number 2, what is the atmosphere and culture like in the office? So who is there to answer your questions? Is there an open door policy? Are there networking events? Do you give back to the community? Is it a virtual office or an in-person office? Are other people there to be helpful? Are there agent-led educational events? These are important things to ask, especially when getting started in real estate. Number 3, what types of classes and educational events are offered by the office? As a realtor, you are required to get 6 hours every year of continuing education, 2 of those being legal. But that's just the basic stuff. Who is going to help you learn the contracts? Like, those are the things that should be important when you're first getting started. Are other agents willing to help? Are these classes led by real estate agents or are they led by a trainer? Number 4, do they have a mentor program? Who are you going to learn from? Getting into this business is challenging and not everything you can learn in a book. So do they have a productivity coach? Do they have a mentor, a coach? Is your broker available to answer questions all the time? Number 5, what are the expectations for me when joining a real estate brokerage? Do they require you to be in the office? Do they require you to use a mentor, a coach when you're first getting started for your first certain amount of transactions? Are you required to be a full-time or a part-time agent? Are you required to attend industry events or office events? Do they require you to use a certain software or program to manage your customer database? Are you supposed to use their office email or can you use your own? Those are 5 questions that you should ask when you're joining a real estate brokerage.